we shall leave you with this little pop tune of mine.
Twisting my mind, you got me acting like a wax out chick. So I won't be responsible, cause I'm really not logical. No, I won't be to blame, you know I'm really not sane. I think I'm crazy, think I'm stupid, but still lost my mind. When I think of loving you, boy, if you were mine, I really go insane. You'd be my favorite thing. I go down this thing, and you're making me a crazy chick. You're driving me to insanity. Get you out of my head, so let me just confess. For those kisses, baby, for your love, you drive me crazy, I can't get enough. Think I'm crazy, think I'm stupid, must have lost my mind. Well, what I'm thinking, loving you, boy, if you were mine, I really go insane. You'd be my favorite thing. I go down the stick, and you're making me a crazy chick. Driving me to insanity, all the things you do, you make me come on. I just can't help myself, I need professional help. I need professional help. I just can't help myself, I need professional help. I need professional.
Ladies and gentlemen, Late Night Pop Dungeon! Fantastic! Fantastic! Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. It's the end of another beautiful day at the Homeless World Cup Cardiff 2019. Keep coming back. See you tomorrow for the last day. Good night, nostalgia!